children, welcome to Mondays with Marvin. So today I wanted to do an activity called bubble snakes. And so it's actually pretty simple. You only need a few things to get started. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need an empty water bottle, some dish detergent, an old sock, and food coloring if you wanna do rainbow bubble snakes, and just some kind of container to put your dish soap in with water, okay? So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna actually take your bottle and cut off the bottom. And I've already done that. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take an old sock, and mine was a big long sock, so I actually just cut off the bottom part of my sock too. And if you want to make it tighter, you could put a rubber band, but for me, I don't really have to do that. So then after you got your bubble snake device ready, you're just gonna take your dish detergent and throw it in your water and mix it so you get some bubbles. Now this is where it can get really fun, because what you're going to do is if you have multiple food colorings, you can actually take your food coloring and just put it on your sock like this. And of course if I had red and green, I could do this and make it a whole, like a rainbow effect, but I'm just going to use blue to show you guys. And this is where it gets kind of cool. So I'm going to have my daughter come and help me. So Elaina, come here. You're gonna show them. I'm gonna move Marvin so he doesn't fall. So then all you gotta do is take your cap off, and do remember to tell your children blow, do not suck in, because otherwise they're gonna suck in some soap. So then what you're gonna do is your child's just gonna go like this, and then they're gonna blow. As they blow, you can see here, we have a blue rainbow effect, and of course if I had red and green would also be in here. But then yeah, your kids can just re-dunk and make bubble snakes or a bubble tower. They can do all kinds of fun things with this, okay? So, as always, Marvin and I, we will see you next time. Bye!